Liz Mitchell, the voice behind Boney M and a disco legend. Liz Mitchell, born on July 12, 1952, in Clarendon, Jamaica, is best known as the soulful voice of Boney M, the iconic disco and Euro-Caribbean band that dominated the 1970s and 1980s. With hits like Rivers of Babylon, Ma Baker, and Daddy Cool, Boney M became a global sensation, largely due to Mitchell's powerful vocals. Her career has spanned decades, and her voice remains instantly recognizable to fans of disco and pop music worldwide. Mitchell moved from Jamaica to London with her family at a young age. She was raised in a vibrant musical environment, which influenced her future career. Early on, she developed a love for singing and performing, and by her teenage years, Mitchell was involved in various theater and musical productions. Her first major break came when she joined the cast of Hair, the countercultural musical that toured in Germany. This experience exposed her to the world of performance and ultimately led to her discovery by German producer Frank Farian, who would later invite her to join his newly formed group, Boney M. Boney M was a unique musical project that combined disco, pop, and reggae influences with Caribbean-inspired imagery and energetic stage performances. Created by Farian, the band initially struggled to find its footing, but that changed with the release of their single Daddy Cool in 1976. The song became a hit, thanks in no small part to Mitchell's energetic vocals, and launched Boney M into international stardom. Her voice carried the band's sound, and her charismatic stage presence helped make Boney M concerts unforgettable experiences. Over the years, Boney M produced a string of global hits, many of which showcased Mitchell's vocal range and emotional depth. Rivers of Babylon became one of their most famous songs, a reggae-influenced track that resonated worldwide with its spiritual lyrics and infectious rhythm. Mitchell's powerful rendition of the song elevated it to anthem status, and it went on to become one of the best-selling singles in UK history. Another major hit, Mary's Boy Child, Oh My Lord, highlighted her warm, soulful delivery and remains a holiday favorite to this day. Though Boney M achieved phenomenal success, the group experienced tensions due to the creative control held by Farian, who was known for his heavy-handed approach. Despite these challenges, Mitchell remained dedicated to her role in the band and continued to tour with various iterations of Boney M, even as other original members left. Her loyalty to the music and her fans kept Boney M's legacy alive, and she became recognized as the true heart and voice of the group. Mitchell's life outside of Boney M has also been marked by dedication to her craft and faith. She has spoken openly about her Christian beliefs, which have inspired much of her solo work. In her later career, she released gospel music and continued to perform Boney M classics, touring internationally and engaging fans from multiple generations. Liz Mitchell's contribution to music is invaluable. Her unique voice, which combines strength and warmth, has been instrumental in keeping Boney M's songs relevant decades after their release. Her net worth is modest compared to some artists of her era, estimated around $1 million, reflecting her dedication to music over commercial gain. Nevertheless, her impact on the disco genre and the music world remains profound. Liz Mitchell's legacy endures as the unforgettable voice of Boney M, bringing joy, nostalgia, and rhythm to fans around the world.